How easy is that? No sweat.
So easy. Actually, we
What?
don't need a calculator here. 410 is the answer. 30 plus 29 plus 28, and then plus going down up to plus 11.
Hello guys, this is your Math Master Vic once again. And today, I'll be giving you easy math tips in adding consecutive numbers. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for you to be updated with my next videos. Are you ready? Let's start!
For this problem, for example, what is the sum of numbers from 1 to 6? You think this might be easy, like you will just add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and then plus 6. You will just add them, and then you usually add 1 plus 2, so that is 3, and then 3 plus 3, that is 6, 6 and 4, that is 10, 10 plus 5, that is 15, and then 15 and 6 is just 21. That is the answer. Okay, that is easy. Okay, you may say that is easy, but there's an easier way to solve this. Okay, what is the easier way to solve this? I'm going to show you. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and 6. The easier way to do this one is to do pairing. So we pair the first number and the last number first. So that will give us a 7, right? 1 plus 6 is 7. And then the second number to the second to the last number, which is also equals to 7. And to the other pairings again, 3 and 4, we will get 7 also. So we can now see here that to answer this one, we will get 7 multiplied by how many pairs? Which we have here 3 pairs. So 7 times 3 is just equals to 21. This is the answer of the problem. This is easier way to do, right? Okay, so how do we know the number of pairs? Okay, of course, we will just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is the number of terms. There are 6 terms. Okay, and then the number of pairs, there are 3 pairs. But how do we solve that? What if, for example, there are so many numbers? So how do we get that there are 6 terms? We will just minus the last number minus the first number 1 plus 1. Why do we need to add 1? Because the 1 here represents the first number, because when we subtract 6 minus 1, it doesn't include the first number. So 6 minus 1 plus 1, that will give us a 6. Okay, so 6 terms. What about the pairs? We will just divide the number of pairs, 6, with 2. Of course, right? So 6 divided by 2, we will get a 3. So that is 3 pairs. Alright? Okay. Let's answer the next problem, which is a little difficult. What is the sum of numbers from 2 to 41? Now see, when you add all of this, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, oh, it will be a very tasking summation, okay, to do. And then, especially if the test is time limit, you will not be able to finish on time. So we need to do the pairing method, pairing strategy. So 2 and 41, 2 plus 41, we will get 43. And then 3 and 40, we will get 43 also. And to the other pair, so on and so forth. Now, how do we know the number of pairs? We will just minus or subtract the last number, 41, subtracted or minus 2, the first number, plus 1, which represents the first number. So this will be equals to what? 41 minus 2 is 39 plus 1, we will get a 40. Okay, so there are 40 terms here. 40 terms. Now, terms. How do we know the number of pairs? So we'll just divide the terms, the number of terms, 40 divided by 2 to get the number of pairs, which is equals to 20 pairs. Alright, so we will multiply the number of pairs 20 to the 43, which is the sum of each pair. Okay, so to get the final answer, we'll just multiply 43 multiplied by 20 pairs, 20, which is equals to what? 0, and then 2 and 3, that's a 6. 2 times 4, that's an 8. Okay, this is the final answer, 860. Okay, so this type of problem is also being used in International Math Olympiad tests. So this trick and this tip will be really helpful for you. Okay, now next, let's go to the third problem. Find the value of 30 plus 29 plus 28 plus up to plus 11. Okay, you may say, oh, this is decreasing from 30, highest number to the lowest 11. Okay, it's just a trick. This is just 11 to 30. This is just the sum of 11 to 30. Okay, so no worry about that. So don't be confused with that. Okay, so we will have here 11 plus 12 plus plus 29 and then plus 30, and we do the pairing strategy, the easier way to do. 30 plus 11 is 41, and then 12 and 29, that's also 41. Okay, so we will have to find out the number of terms. So we will minus the last term 30 minus the first term 11 plus 1, which represents the first number. Okay, 30 minus 11 is just equals to 19, and then plus 1, we'll get 20 terms. 20 terms. Now how do we get the number of pairs? It's just 20 divided by 2, we will get 10 pairs. Alright, so easy. Actually, we don't need a calculator here. So 10 pairs and 41. So we will just multiply 41, multiply to the number of pairs, which is 10, and it will give us 410 as the answer. 410 is the answer for the value of 30 plus 29 plus 28, and then plus going down up to plus 11. Okay, so don't forget this trick, this easy math tips for finding the value or the sum of numbers, which is a difference of 1. Whether it's a big number, whether you will say from numbers 1 to 1000 or 3 to 395, we can still answer that using this trick, this tip, math easy tips. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for viewing and liking this video on easy math tips from Math Master Vic. I hope you like the video. Please like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be updated with the next video uploads from me, your Math Master Vic. Goodbye. God bless you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.